Eeuwen, eeuwen, eeuwen. Lekker bruine bonen met rijst.
Bruine bonen met top ramen, mensen.
Echt niet.
For a month, when you were homeless.
What? I was homeless.
You were homeless,
When I
Jenny.
stop the game, you know, that
You
was
were
homeless, you know.
You were homeless.
Kijk, aqui. Wat sang ka dat homeless?
Je hebt toch niemand nodig? Dat doet zelf. Ik kon.
Ik kon je de abo.
Payaso.
Payaso de abo.
De abo!
Amiga, I am now at NYX. Amiga, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with another video. Today is Monday. I'm currently working. I'm already showered and dressed for the day, wearing a very comfy fit. And Benny is also already up. He's making brown beans with chicken and sausage. It's a Surinamese dish, bruine bonen. So I'm really excited for that, and most of the time it lasts us 2 days, so that's gonna be dinner for today and tomorrow, but it smells really good already, so I might have that for lunch. But yes, I'm gonna take you along with me in another week in my life. But yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. And we're gonna go ahead and get into my week. It has been snowing. It looks really, really pretty outside, like a winter wonderland, as you have probably already seen. And Benny also made me a coffee. So I'm having my coffee while working. And yes, that's for now the update. Let's go check on Benny. See how the cooking is going in the kitchen. Let's go. Hello.
Yo, yo, yo.
Good morning. Amiga, it's only 12 o'clock, but Benny finished making dinner and I'm about to have it for lunch today. We don't do this every day, but I mean, I'm not mad at this. As a child, I used to hate brown beans, or especially how my mom made it. Like the Antillean people make it very, very sweet, but the Surinamese edition though, girl, I'm obsessed. I want to eat this at least once a week. And Benny makes it it's just the best when he makes it. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my food, enjoy it. I'm gonna do my hair later. I had the best lunch break ever because I took a nap. Now I'm gonna drink my coffee. Whipped coffee. Recipe is in my last vlog, so check that out if you didn't watch it yet, but today is just a perfect day for this. And I also already had a warm coffee today. So, by the way, I don't put ice in it during the winter because I don't think we need that. But during summer, I always also add ice cubes. But right now, I just don't think it's necessary. The milk is always in the fridge, so the coffee is cold anyways. Washing machine is done. I'm gonna go check that out. It's Monday. We gotta be on our shit. Okay, amiga, I did my hair. It's in a ponytail, a very extravagant ponytail. I feel like Nicki Minaj or something. But I'm gonna start like putting on some makeup and get myself a little bit ready for the day because I want to take a few pictures when I'm done working. And I currently have a little coffee break, so I'm gonna use that to get myself together. Lately, I have been into very simple makeup, but I'm gonna do some lashes today. But I just noticed that it's not always that necessary to do as much makeup as I was doing before. Like, I don't need to cake it on. So I'm just gonna like do a little bit of, you know, get myself a little bit ready. Do a little pretty makeup situation, you know? Makeup is done, amiga. I'm gonna finish working and then after work I'm gonna take my pics and I'm gonna show you how I do that at home. So yeah, let me finish working and I'll get back to you. Okay, amiga, I finished working. I have my little setup here. Here are just 2 plants because I have a lot of green on my Instagram feed at the moment. And here is my little setup with my phone. I just put it right in front of my window, but that is me. As you can see, I like the colors and it looks pretty good at the moment. So I'm gonna take my pictures now. For my pictures, I also like to use this little Bluetooth remote control. I just connect it to my phone and then I can just snap my pictures. And it's just good because then you don't always see me holding my phone in the pictures. So yeah, that's what I use. A very simple setup, but I'm now gonna take my pictures. I think I'm now gonna change into another outfit so I can at least like have like some use out of this makeup, but also so that I have like a few pictures that I can post during the rest of this week. And I might also like do some aesthetic shots for my filler pics. So I think I'm gonna do all of that, but like let me just do like some more outfits and stuff, and then yeah, and then I'm done with taking pictures for today and I can take my makeup off. But make sure to follow me on Instagram. My handle is @JennyferRoss if you want to see these pictures. So yeah. Okay, change of outfit. I think I'm gonna take a few pictures on my balcony. I think it's gonna be a little bit difficult to do it with the snow and all that and to film it, but I'm gonna try. Okay, let's go. Okay, my little remote does not want to connect, so I will have to do it with my timer. Let's do it because it's pretty cold out here. That's it, amiga. It's a wrap for outside here because it's cold. Let's go inside. So amiga, we are done with the pictures. I managed to do 3 pictures of me. So that means I will have things to post on Instagram until Thursday actually, Thursday. So that is great. And now I also want to take like a few filler pics. This is what I mean with filler pics. Just pictures like just pictures like this that are aesthetically pleasing. I normally like to take these in the morning and work with daylight, but I'm just gonna try to make the best out of the situation right now. I'm gonna look up some inspiration on Pinterest to use for my own. You can also take the picture just from Pinterest, but make sure to credit the owner. I don't like to get into trouble with those type of things, so that's why I like to make my own. But I mean, everybody do whatever works for you. I like to make my own filler pics. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And yeah, I'm gonna munch on a snack while I look for inspiration. But yeah, I think it's really fun to take you with me behind the scenes and let you see me struggling and show you what it takes to like create all the pictures and stuff that you see on my Instagram. And if you are not following me yet on Instagram, make sure you follow me. That is at Jennyfer Ross on Instagram.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real.
All right, amiga, I'm now taking my filler pics. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do like a pink aesthetic. I'm gonna try to see what else I can find. I didn't really find anything that really spoke to me on Pinterest, so I just figured I would do like a pink aesthetic. And with all like beauty products, I'm gonna do that now. Let's take these pictures.
Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better.
Hello, Benny. Ewa. Pull up in a Porsche Panamera.
Ew.
Hoezo? Why is that ew? We don't have anything right now. We have legs from Elf.
I have a beat twin.
What?
A beat twin.
So do I. Ewa. Today is a good day.
Wat? Daarom wil je die bruine ook bonen eten. Met de pramen.
Ew.
Do people eat it with something else?
Ik weet niet, maar lekker bruine bonen met rijst.
Bruine bonen met top ramen, mensen.
Echt niet.
We need to eat brown beans with noodles, people.
Stop lying.
I'm not lying.
We're not eating
Jennyfer used all her money on clothes. She wants to look nice on her birthday. She bought some long weave fake hair. So yeah, this week I need to eat. How do they call it? Brown beans?
Brown beans.
Brown beans with noodles. Yeah.
It's with rice.
It came to that.
No.
And they say that I need to be nice to her.
Stop dinganya. You people love my ponytail. You just don't like it.
I don't like the brown beans with with noodles. So.
But what does my ponytail have to do with that?
Because you bought that ponytail, we need to eat.
What's that?
We need to eat brown
that
beans.
That would be such a situation if I bought one ponytail and we can't eat for the rest of the month.
Yes.
What is the hair made from?
That would be a very good evidence, and it would prove that you really belong to the streets.
Why do I? What?
If you buy hair instead of food, then you belong to the streets.
Yeah, but I don't do that.
Yes, you did that. We need to eat brown beans.
No.
Okay, she's in the middle. Can you please go take your brown beans and your noodles? So
yes.
Brown beans and noodles.
Mika, let me prove it to you. No, push up. So you turn off the camera for me not to show them, no? Oh yes.
Noodles. The noodles look like rice. She cut it in pieces.
Stop it, Kanya.
So amigas, you see, Now she's gonna cook peanuts for us to eat, like I'm some kind of rabbit. That's all because she wanted to buy fake hair.
Can you just stop?
Here's your tea, Jenny.
Thank you.
That I bought for you.
Thank you so much.
I just wish that you took care of me the same way that I did.
Stop the guy, yeah?
Alright, tell the people what we're gonna eat.
We're gonna boil some peanuts because we bought them to boil them.
Because we're poor.
No, we're not. Not because we're poor.
We're gonna start a GoFund us.
This is this is just a snack that I like when I'm on Curacao. And whatever. And yeah, I thought I would buy peanuts and do it myself at home. So I'm gonna boil some peanuts and I'm gonna share with you how I do it. That sounds so dumb. You literally just boiled the peanuts. But you need to crack the peanuts open before you boil them. But anyways, let's boil some peanuts. It's not all for tonight, but maybe we can have a few tomorrow then. So what I'm now doing is filling up my pot with some water.
Poor people eating peanuts at night.
This is a good snack, man. I like that so much. And I'm gonna do, how much salt should I do? I think I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon because I don't want them to be too salt. Okay. So I have my water here. It's just water with 1 tablespoon of salt. And now it's time to add in the peanuts. So we need to crack them and put them in. So what you just want to do is just this, like that, so that it can absorb the water better. It's gonna be a hideous task. You gonna help me? Ga je me helpen? Okay. I wanted to ask you if you also eat it in soup.
Yeah.
You do? Hey, this was a snack, huh?
Still is.
It's a snack. Sometimes in Curacao, when you take, when you're on the road, you will have people selling like bags of these boiled peanuts at the traffic lights. So when the traffic lights are red, people will come to you.
Traffic lights?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, do you think it's 1 chaos?
I didn't say anything.
Do you think it's a chaos there?
Because I have a feeling that it's not that crowded there, so...
Oh wow. Accidents will happen. Trust me.
Hoeveel mensen wonen op Curaçao?
Oh, weet ik niet. Niet zoveel, maar toch. That type of shit. Peanuts! You remember one time that we tried to do this? And we boiled it for hours and hours, and we were wondering why the hell it wasn't working. The peanuts were still hard inside because we didn't crack the peanuts. We did that at your little apartment. Essenburg.
That little apartment held you for 1 week.
I'm not saying
for a month when you were homeless.
What? I wasn't homeless.
You were homeless.
When I stopped the game, you know, that was a homeless, you know.
You were homeless.
Kakaki. Wat staan ka dat homeless?
I took you from the streets.
Benai. Zomaar.
Wat is dat? Wat is dit? You were homeless. Homeless.
I wasn't homeless.
Did you have a home?
Yes.
Where? Where, Jenny?
I turned it in to come live with you.
No, that's not what happened. That's not what happened.
You come gusto nga yan sina?
She didn't have rent money, people, so she came to me.
Stop. Gusto nga yan.
Jenny, wat doe je daarmee? Je kan gewoon de bovenkant drukken.
Ja, maar dat lijkt niet goed te werken.
Kijk hier.
Oh. What?
Jenny, you just came to my house with all your hebben en houden. And You just came there. You came there and you told me, yeah, the company put you out because you didn't pay rent for 3 months.
Well, but stop. We will have to turn that thing on. Okay, peanuts are done. They're cooking now. And I will get back to you when the peanuts are done. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna take off my makeup and start to close down this day. All right. So amiga, it's now midnight and the peanuts are finally done boiling. I'm gonna enjoy this little bowl and then after that I'm gonna head to bed. And as you can see, I already changed into my PJs, took my makeup off. So yeah, I'm now gonna chill and then I'll see you tomorrow. What's up amiga? Today is Tuesday and I just finished working. I also took a few pictures for my Instagram because I want to stay on my game there. This might be too bright, I'm not sure, but it's currently 5 o'clock and it's still light outside, so I think I'm gonna go outside, get some fresh air, maybe walk to the supermarket if it's not too crazy, because not gonna lie, I tried to take a few pictures yesterday on my balcony and I almost fell and broke my ass. So I'm not trying to actually fall and break my ass. You know, just not up for it, not here for it. So I'm gonna go outside, try to take some fresh air, and if it's not too crazy, I'm gonna go to the supermarket, and otherwise I'm just gonna do like a little block around my house, just for the sake of it. So yeah, let me go put on my winter boots and let's get going.
So extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay happy? I'd rather be on that way. Trying to control our emotions.
Alright amiga, your girl is back home. I'm gonna show you a quick little grocery haul because I feel like I haven't done these in a while. And it's not that much. I got this pizza because I want to eat this tomorrow. I actually want to eat it right now, but I'm not going to because we have food, so I only need to make rice because we still have beans from yesterday, so I'm gonna eat that instead. But tomorrow I'm gonna have that for lunch. Then I got cereal for in our smoothie bowls. I got maple syrup because I have a lot of lemons and I want to make like a lemon ginger tea later on, and I like to use this for it, so I might vlog that and then you can see that as well. Then I got bananas because we are out of bananas. So I also got some veggies. This is the Chinese Thai mix. I'm gonna make some fried rice tomorrow. I'm excited for that. So yeah, that's what that is for. I got some Pringles because Benny and I love those. I also got some soy milk. The vanilla soy milk from Alpro, this is my favorite one. Then I also got vegan ground meat from Corn. It looks like that. Because I do want to make some pastiches, but I want to make them vegan and see how I like that. Then I also got some matcha. I'm so excited for this, but I'm gonna try this tomorrow morning. Yeah, so matcha. I got some ramen. Oh my god, so excited for this. And I also got a bottle of Moscato. Just, you know, quarantine things. We are at home. I like my little drinks, okay? I also got like these burgers. These are my absolute favorite. So I got these. And then I also got these big shrimps that I'm also very excited for. Maybe I'm gonna eat that with the stir fry. So tomorrow. Then we also have some nuts because Benny and I like these. Another pack of the ramen, and then coconut chips for in smoothie bowls. And a small thing of eggs. So yeah, that's that. I'm now gonna cook the rice and then have my dinner. Benny is eating at work today, so I don't need to take him into consideration for dinner tonight, which is great. It was really nice to be outside a little bit. I was on the phone with my sister the whole time, and we just catched up a little bit and, you know, talked about like girly things. So that was really nice, and it was also just nice to be outside, catch some fresh air, like do my little walk. It was really nice, so I really enjoyed it, and I'm happy that I did it. And also daylight saving, the days are getting longer, so that's especially a reason why I thought I should go outside, because I'm complaining about it a lot, that the days are not long enough. So I really enjoyed the fact that it was still light outside and it just got dark. And it's now, what time is it? It's now almost 7, so it's not bad. Good morning, amiga. It is now Wednesday, and I had the worst nightmare ever. Like, it still makes me tear up. But I had a dream that my mom passed away. Like, the fuck? Like, what the hell, man? No, 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 no. Mom, take care of yourself. Don't pass away, because I need you. I love you. It was really, really scary. I told Benny about it, and he was like, don't even talk about it. And I started like crying, and he was like, yeah, it's not real, Jenny. You don't have to cry. But like, oh my god, I was so sad in my dream. That was so weird. Why am I crying about this? It wasn't real, but just a thought. Oh my god. If you have your parents, please cherish them. And the most beautiful thing is I like woke up from the nightmare, and I took my phone and I saw that she texted me. Like, if you have your parents, please cherish them, because not everybody has their parents. And don't let another day go by without telling the people you love that you love them, because there's so many ugly things already happening in this world, and there's no reason, you know?
care about the things that are actually important and not about like bullshit, because it's not important in the end. I look rough. Anyways, I'm gonna get myself together, make myself some breakfast and just relax, because what the fuck. Yeah, crying on YouTube. Luckily it's not real. Luckily, yeah, I'm just happy that it's not real. I'll talk to you in a little bit.
I'm happy that I do it every day. Now I can see why I don't let you do it. Come up, hurry up, hurry up. Come up, come up. I'll take it from here.
No!
You need to put that in here,
Oh.
and you shouldn't press it that hard.
Okay. Thank you.
Because if you press it too hard, the water won't. You need to fill it, you know.
Fill what?
Yes, done. Fill.
More?
More coffee, yeah.
Hey, Swa! Ik ben degene die nu de koffie maakt, oké? Okay? Bongkera ta barista we, toch? Wala gami.
Kuya barista, als je wat ziet.
Oké. Zeg het water daar van achter. Hi.
Merk je hoeveel werk het is wanneer die dingen van je daar zet? Merk je? Mooi.
Nayo. Ketu, oké?
Abo, taketu.
Ketu si bonopor.
Ketu no sabe por.
Vamos. I got this.
You ain't got shit.
Yes, I do.
3 minuten.
En dan kan ik dan voor meer naar Sami.
3 minuten.
Die koffie.
3 minuten. Ik maak het in 1,5. 3
Wat
minuten.
staat die kanya?
Ik maak het binnen.
Benayo, stop met liegen wanneer ik daar op kantoor wacht op een kopje koffie.
Daar ben ik bezig met andere dingen.
Ja, dat is dus het probleem.
Oké. Jij bent met niets bezig, toch duurt het 3 minuten.
Bla bla bla.
3 minutes and counting.
Oké. Oké, klaar? Bangkaya. Look at that beauty.
Stop.
You are not my teacher, okay? How many times do I have to tell you that you're not my teacher?
I'd rather be. Because I need my bombashi do you. I bought you some Gorilla Glue. It's good hairstyling.
No, thank you. I don't want any Gorilla Glue. I will never put any Gorilla anything on my head. I am making coffee because I don't need no shit from anyone. Benayo! Kan je een beetje rustig doen met mijn camera?
Benayo! Kan je een beetje rustig doen met mijn camera?
Jeetje.
Je hebt toch niemand nodig? Dat doet zelf. Ik kon.
Ik kon je taabo.
Payaso.
Payaso taabo.
Taabo! Amiga, she's fucking up the milk.
No, I'm not. I got it.
You ain't got shit.
I got it. Come on, I got it.
You've been busy 10 minutes already.
You're not that fast.
I'm gonna make my own cup after this, and you will see how fast I make it.
You're lying. Okay. Okay, let's make it a competition.
Yeah.
Because you're not gonna be that fast.
I am. Doe dan, barista. Doe dan.
So, amiga, I made my own coffee today. With the machine. Because some people be giving me so much shit just for a cup of coffee. So, let's do a little taste test.
How does it taste, Jenny?
Delicious, creamy. It tastes good. Can you do a taste test?
What is that?
You need to stop like bira esuku. Esuku ta dembam. You need to mix up the sugar.
Amigas,
But stop the gaya.
This is how all the YouTubers are lying, acting like it's sweet.
What?
It tastes good.
This is good, man.
This ain't even creamy.
Manayo.
Even when I was learning how to make coffee with that machine, it wasn't this bad.
Manayo. You are such a liar.
How can you offer someone this?
Manayo.
It's bad, Jenny. It's really bad.
You just want to keep the power of making coffee in his house.
If this was on the scale of 1 to 10, this would be a -3.
I have a little unboxing to do because I received a package from Goldie Shop. So it's my very first package from Goldie Shop. I'm really excited. So here, no, Benayo, no. Why are you putting my package in the trash? So it comes with this little picture.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful!
It is.
Oh my
And
god!
it says, we hope you enjoy your purchase. All of our items are handmade in the Netherlands with a Caribbean touch. Tag at Goldie Shop to show us your looks. Goldie Shop. And then this is what it looks like. I'm so excited. Ooh, so pretty. These are the two that I got. They are so beautiful. Ooh, really happy with it. It's really unique, really beautiful. So I think I'm gonna get ready and rock one of my new Goldie earrings. Thank you, Goldie. I'm gonna make so many pictures and I'm so happy I'm finally a Goldie babe. Oh my god, this kind of looks so beautiful. Amiga, I am now at NYX and I just got the sad news that they're gonna shut down the stores. I'm so sad because this is the store where I come for my foundations, for all like my complexion products. So I'm so sad. NYX, if you see this, please do not shut down my store. Rethink the situation. I need you. Okay. Your girl is back home. I didn't edit anything yesterday, so tonight is gonna be a serious editing night because otherwise I will have way too much to do on upload day, and I'm also gonna be pretty busy this weekend, so I'm gonna try to at least have this vlog done by Friday. Anyways, let me start with and other stories. That's where I get my The Ordinary products. I got 3 things there. The first thing is this Ordinary hyaluronic acid. I decided to go with the big one this time because normally I have like the little bottle, but I like this so much So I thought a big bottle would be better. And then I also got the Alpha Arbutin serum. And it's this one is also one that I really like. This one I got just a little one. I'm gonna use this one at night when I'm finished with the one that I have right now. And then the last thing I got is not from The Ordinary, but it's a nail polish. And it's just with these little like glitter hearts. I thought this would be cute for my current mani because it's growing out. I'm getting my nails done this Saturday. But I thought like this would be fun for some nail art. And it was also 50% off. So thought, why not? And then as I told you in the store, NYX is closing the stores here in Belgium and also the stores in the Netherlands. So if you are a fan of NYX, then I recommend you go get your stuff because they're gonna close soon. That's what they told me today. I'm really sad about that because I love NYX, especially for their complexion products. I feel like as a black woman, it is a little bit difficult sometimes to get your perfect shade. But let me share with you the things that I got. I didn't get that much, but I need to go back to stack up before they leave for good. Of course, they're going to be available online, but that's not the same to me. Especially like the products that I don't already know. It's really difficult to see to match up your color online, I feel like. I feel like the store is just better to just match up your color. So, I don't know, I'm gonna be repurchasing the things that I already know of, but it's just not the same, okay? NYX, if you see this, please do not close down the stores. But anyways, what I got are, didn't I get 2 of those? Yes. I got the Born to Glow concealers because I've been loving these. I got 2 of them and I am in the shade Golden Honey. So 2 of those. Then I also got the Born to Glow foundation. This is in the shade Honey. And I'm pretty excited about this because I'm so happy already with this. So I just imagine this being just as great. Then I also have 2 new lip products. This one, these are both the lingerie push-up sticks. Maybe I can open them and share with you the colors because, of course, I wasn't able to try them in the store. Like, I'm really gonna love these. Ooh, this is like a perfect nude. Oh my god, I love this. I don't know if you can see that. It's gonna be a very beautiful nude because I love nude lipsticks. And this one is in the shade Dusk to Dawn. Ooh, that's beautiful too. Like, look at that. That's Dusk to Dawn. And this one is the other nude one. So yeah, happy with these. It's the first time I'm gonna try these, but I definitely wanted to give them a try. I have something similar from a brand that I used to buy in Germany, but we didn't go there for a while since Corona. So happy to try those out. And then I also got this lip duo. It has praline because it wasn't available by itself, the praline butter gloss. And then the other one is, I'm not sure, let me open it. Angel Food Cake. So I have the combination praline and also Angel Food Cake. I think I'm gonna be pretty happy with these. The Angel Food Cake I don't know about that much, but I mean, that's how you discover new products as well. It might be one of my new favorites. We'll see. But yeah, those are the things that I bought from NYX. Yeah, that's it. That's all the things that I got. I'm happy that I went outside. It was very, very cold. But I'm happy, you know. It's nice to have seasons. But I just hope that it doesn't continue to snow for 2 or 3 weeks or something, because that will become a little bit annoying, you know. It just throws off a lot of things when the weather gets so extreme here, because for some reason we're never prepared for it. So yeah, I'm gonna put this away, start cooking, and then after dinner I'm just gonna edit. I really need to edit.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in.
dinner is ready and I am already changed into my comfy wear. I also took out the goldie earrings because I think I want to shoot like some Instagram content with them in a second. Not in a second, maybe later tonight. I'm just gonna do it with the ring light. And I think it's a good time to light my candles and start editing while I wait for Benny to get home so that we can have dinner. Okay, amiga, Benny is home.
No, I'm not.
Yes, he is. And we're now gonna have dinner. It looks so good. How does it taste?
It tastes good.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
Okay, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, amigas.
Cheers.
Cheers.